So hello everyone, I am Arjun Joshi here. I am from Patna. I am 30-year-old and I have just started my endurance sports journey vlogging, in which I want to share my documentary with everyone, and so that everyone who are eager to achieve something in endurance sport can get some sense of clarity, or I do not want to say inspiration, but yeah, motivation. uh, and they can come and perform by clearing common problems that they face. So problem number one, what people actually find is they say that they do not have enough time, and endurance sport takes a lot of time. So that is number one myth. I don't think that it takes a lot of time, but अगर मैं हिंदी में भी कोशिश करूँगा कि साथ में सबको समझ आए, तो मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि एंड्योरेंस स्पोर्ट्स अगर लोग चाहते हैं कि कोई भी फिज़िकल एक्टिविटी या फिटनेस लाइफ में अपना शुरू करने के लिए अपनी जर्नी को, तो ये वीडियो आप सबके लिए है. एंड इफ़ यू गाइज थिंक कि इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव इनफ टाइम, then that is number one myth, because I handle business, I handle my family, I handle my personal life, my friends, everything. Along with that, I handle my fitness endurance sport lifestyle as well. So basically, I've met people where they tell me कि उनके पास समय नहीं है, but ऐसा नहीं है. What you have to do is rather स्ट्रक्चर योर डे. आपको अपने लाइफ में स्ट्रक्चर का बहुत ज़रूरत है. उस तरीके से ही आप कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं पहले टाइम से सोता नहीं था, टाइम से उठ नहीं पाता था इसके वजह से. एंड अब क्या चेंज है पहले से, दैट आई नाउ स्लीप एट, आई ट्राई टू स्लीप एट 10. आई हैव अ स्मॉल किड who is 3. He needs my time, and sometimes मैं and Shruti, my wife, we get to talking, and वो कभी कभी टाइम पता नहीं चलता है, but usually we try to sleep by 10. And when you are sleeping by 10, your body is recovered by 4 or 5. You don't need more than 6 to 7 hours of deep good sleep, good quality of sleep. अगर वो आपको मिल जाए तो that is more than enough. And when you wake up at 5 and you pursue your sport, by 8 I am back to my house. And people, I've seen that they start to wake up at 8, 9 or even 10. So you should avoid that basically. Agar aap and now I would like to come to the second part of the myth. Is I've talked to people, and second thing is that people try to achieve a lot too early, too soon. And आप अगर unrealistic goals and set करेंगे अपने लिए, so you just are making a pile of problems stand in front of you for yourself, because you should not do that. Because just as in life, आप स्कूल में क्लास 1, 2, 3 इस तरीके से प्रोग्रेस करते हैं, उस तरीके से किसी भी स्पोर्ट्स जर्नी को या फिटनेस जर्नी को भी परस्यू करिए. एंड गिव योर बॉडी टाइम टू अडेप्ट. बिकॉज अगर मैं आप वो नहीं करेंगे तो इट विल ओवरबर्न, एंड you will see your progress going down. You will get demotivated through your uh, you'll get demotivated from your progress and results, and eventually you're not want to keep up with your sports. So yeah, that is one thing जो कि आपको ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि आप धीरे धीरे प्रोग्रेस करें. बिकॉज मैंने जैसे अपने व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू इज़ 70.3 आयरन मैन मैं परस्यू कर रहा हूँ उसकी ट्रेनिंग को. सो आई हैव गिवन माई सेल्फ 1 year of base training for that, and the second year I'm gonna have to compete. But let's see if I can try to compete this year also, just for the experience of it. But properly, if I want to compete for Ironman 70.3, I have to give 2 years of preparations for that, because and I see people, they straight away jump to 5k, 10ks and half marathons without proper training of even 5 to 10 days. So that is just you're getting inviting injuries and everything. So third myth, what I found, what people, they how what mistakes they do is, they do not have a clear set of goals. अगर आपके पास में लाइफ में किसी चीज़ में फुटबॉल का पिच है, आपके पास में बस बॉल है, गोल है ही नहीं, तो आप उसको ड्रिबल करते जाओगे, बट यू डो नॉट हैव सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन वेयर टू गो. उस तरीके से ही अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप फिटनेस जर्नी, आप फिट बन जाओ या कुछ परस्यू करो किस चीज़ को, एक लॉन्ग टाइम लाइफस्टाइल को, तो विदाउट अ गोल कुछ टाइम बाद यू विल लूज़ अ सेंस ऑफ वेयर यू आर. अगर आपको दिया जाए कि आप पटना से दिल्ली जाना है, बट आपके पास में मैप ही नहीं है, एंड यू डोंट नो वेयर यू आर, एंड देन हाउ विल यू एवर रीच दिल्ली अगर आपको डायरेक्शन पता नहीं होगा तो. सो गोल सेट करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो काइंडली जैसे इस चीज़ को सेट करिए. Without that you will get demotivated, and you will in midway of your journey will lose a sense of where you are. You will not get motivated through your results, and you will not know where to go. And अगर कर भी रहे हैं उसको, तो आप you will not be improving the way you should, and efforts ज़्यादा डलेंगे but results आएंगे नहीं, and again you will be in a loop of demotivation. Also, अगर if I share my journey, how I have been doing it is, I have a clear set of goal कि हाँ मेरे को weekly उस चीज़ को मैं track करता हूँ. So through Strava and the watch that I have, Garmin 965 Forerunner, जिसके वजह से I get results data oriented, and I know कि मेरे को क्या targets है मेरे week के, and what I have achieved, and I monitor that. I study that once a week and plan for the next week, and see where my shortcomings are, what my strengths are, what my weaknesses are, and which areas I have to improve. And eventually अब targets जैसे मैंने set किया है कि साल भर में मेरे को base बना लेना है. Second year में I have to compete for Ironman 70.3. Third year में I will be competing the full Ironman. So that is how you grow, and that is how you structure yourself. So that is very important. So the third myth is, or an issue with endurance sport is, I've seen people that they try to do it alone, and a higher percentage of people who train alone for fitness, they do not tend to do as good as people who try to do it in a community, or rather a community में अगर आप हैं, अगर आप एक स्पोर्ट्स किसी के ग्रुप में कर रहे हैं, वो आपके भाई भी हो सकते हैं, दोस्त भी हो सकते हैं, आपका पार्टनर भी हो सकता है, आपका बेटा भी हो सकता है, आपके फादर भी हो सकते हैं, बट यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव अ कम्युनिटी, a set of friends जिनके साथ में you are chasing this journey, and basically अगर वो है आपके साथ में, तो आपका मोमेंटम बना रहता है. यू डू नॉट एवर लूज दैट मोमेंटम. यू कीप मोटिवेटिंग ईच अदर, यू पुश ईच अदर, यू चैलेंज ईच अदर, जो कि अदरवाइज नहीं हो पाता है, एंड यू लूज दैट डिसिप्लिन ऑल्सो बेसिकली. एंड जैसे मैंने स्ट्रावा में आई हैव अ कम्युनिटी where you can find a lot of clubs, a lot of running clubs, cycling clubs, and like-minded people. You make a WhatsApp group, you make plans, and you ride with them, you run with them, you go to swim with them, and you can do it with your family, but always do it in a community. That will always help you. So the fourth myth, what and an issue that I find with people who started endurance sport is that they do not track progress, and that is something you should really avoid doing that, because if you want in any aspect of your life, आप सोचो कि अगर आप कोई चीज़ में किसी स्पोर्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व हैं, किसी फील्ड में इन्वॉल्व हैं, अगर आपको ये नहीं पता चल रहा है कि आप हाउ यू आर डूइंग and what your results are, so how will you improve, and how will you know that where you're going, in what direction you're going. So for that, what I do is basically uh, I have a sheet of paper in which मैंने अपने सारे वर्कआउट्स को ब्रेक कर रखा है वीक वाइज, एंड actually it is day wise, but I keep on tracking it weekly through my Strava reports, ki where I have reached and where I have to go. And through that, there are many parameters. If I am running, I know what my cadence is, what my power output is, and what my speed is, and that's how you understand कि आपका what mistakes you're making. And if you don't have that, you're just going in a wrong direction for a long time, and you're doing more bad than you are doing good. So that is not something you should do. Always track your progress, and through that, now if I look back, मेरे जर्नी में 6 महीने पीछे मैं देख रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को ये समझ में आता है कि how far I have come, and that result only is such a motivating factor that so these are the things that I wanted to share with you guys.